Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. At a time when the will in its present form is going to be considered by the House, and when after a short while it is going to be passed through its final stage, I shall be failing in my duty if I do not express the viewpoint on this will not only of myself but also of that section of the community which claims to have played during the last 2.5 years a glorious part in the hour of our national crisis. While I do not propose to move any amendments, all the same, I should like to seize this opportunity to state that I am not enthusiastic nor at all happy over this will. While I do not deny that there are some beneficial sections in this will from the point of view of labor, but taken as a whole, this will in the chain of the existing legislation will add to the hardships that the working class is subjected to in this country. What is the position in the country today? Labor desires peace, and in spite of the political manipulations to exploit labor for their own political ends, labor has still maintained the industrial production and also maintained peace. It has refrained as a general rule from resorting to industrial strikes. During the last 2.5 years, it has aspired to secure settlement of its legitimate grievances not by direct action but through peaceful methods of conciliation and following that arbitration. But what is the position today? In spite of the best desire of the working class in this country to maintain industrial peace and to take resort to constitutional methods, the position today is that there is a law which was an improvement on the old position. All the same, as has been amply demonstrated in the course of the last 2 years, the existing law is utterly ineffective to do justice to the working class. In the first place, although the machinery of adjudication is there has been numerous instances in which there has been not only delay but also reluctance on the part of the various state authorities to refer disputes to the tribunal. Secondly, even if disputes were referred to the tribunals, there was no time limit, with the result that the proceedings of before these tribunals dragged on not for months but at times for years, full stop.